welcome back to Cooking with the Crew. Today we're gonna bring y'all grilled chicken Alfredo, and the queen will be making it. And what she'll be using is butter, black pepper, Kingsford original no salt, Tony Sassery's Creole seasoning, shrimp and crab boil, gumbo filet, Alfredo sauce, and onion soup dip mix along with spaghetti noodles. And here goes the chicken that she's gonna put on the roulante grill, and she's gonna add peppers with that. And we have the grill heating up right here to 360 if y'all can see that. And over here we have some sweet peas going, and we have the water boiling for the noodles. And the queen have her peppers right here. She's gonna start cutting up her peppers for her chicken.
They frozen, y'all.
Yeah, they are frozen. And to keep them from going bad, sometimes it's best to freeze your peppers, or you can cut them up, then freeze them, or however you want to do to preserve the freshness of your peppers.
And you can use however many you like. I'm going to add them last, right before the sauce is done, because I want to keep the firmness and the flavor.
You don't want them to be overcooked.
And of course, you can cut them however you like. I'm going to let Mr. do this, if he don't mind.
You want me to cut the vegetables for
If he
you?
don't mind.
Sure.
So I can get started on my chicken.
Right now, guys, she just put some butter on the grill top before she put her chicken on there.
So that way it'll keep
Let me turn it up some for you. Well, that's fine.
That's good. That way it'll heat up pretty slow for me. My hands clean, y'all. My hands are clean. I just washed. That's all I'm gonna put for the first batch. And when these heat through, I'll put the rest on.
Okay, guys, she's about to season the chicken. First, we have the original no salt by Kingsford.
And I am gonna put some seasoning on the pan itself, so when I cover it, the seasoning will cook through.
And guys, that no salt Kingsford season is really good. And once again, this is a roulante grill. If you like one, go to the main channel in the video and click the link in her description box, and that will take you straight to this grill right here. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, welcome back. And she's about to put her noodles in the water, and this is what she add: the shrimp and crab boil to her water. How much you gonna add, Queen? A capful?
No, I'm not even gonna put a capful.
A third of a cap?
Just this little tiny little bit right here. You can barely see it. Just that little tiny drop. So it's literally a drop. And that, it'll give the flavor of the noodles.
Cool. Teach them, baby.
That's all. That one little drop. Oh, mama, put in my thing.
And then she's gonna put her noodles in, and everyone know how to boil noodles. Boil your noodles the way the back of the box say. If you want them al dente, if you want them a little softer, boil them, you know, a couple minutes longer than what the box say. So we're just gonna show y'all this real quick, like.
You don't have to break your noodles. I just break mine because it's gonna stretch them. And yes, I am strong. I just don't want my noodles to go all over the place like that.
Right.
Like that. Like I just did. That's
Good
why I
job,
take
babe.
my time. Yeah. I ain't trying to have noodles everywhere.
But then you gotta clean it up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right.
But since I got you,
Yeah. You know, I don't mind doing
chef
it.
today.
Oh yeah.
See, look at that.
Look at it. Look at it. Dropping noodles all over the
Like
floor.
Candy said, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
And I'm over here cutting up these peppers, and this is what the chicken is looking like so far. It's over there, and we'll bring you guys back. And once again, there go the sweet peas. All right, guys, we're back. She's about to flip the chicken, and look at that, seared to perfection.
And I didn't touch it at all. Once I put it on here, I covered it, and that was it.
And guys, if you get one, you can turn the fan on, and that'll quit if you are getting smoke.
And you would think like, oh, is that burnt? No, it's not burnt. It's just seared.
And flavor.
Now this side, I'm only gonna do for like 2 minutes because it's out. The chicken is already cooked. So I'm only gonna do 2 minutes on the other side. I'm gonna take it off, and that's it. I don't know why one side of the grill always cook more than the other. But this is what we're gonna do, baby.
That's right. Do your thing, baby.
Now what I am gonna do, because y'all know me, y'all should get it. Y'all should already know. I should not tell y'all this.
Butter time.
And it's not gonna be buttery. You just wanna have, and yes, you can put whatever you like. If you don't like butter, you can put whatever you choose.
It also helps with the moisture of the meat.
Look at that. And you can never go wrong with butter. Why does I want to come off here and I don't want to touch it with my hand? But you can never go wrong with butter. Okay? You just can't. I'm sorry. You just can't. I don't care who say what. All this butter gonna be gone to my words.
Like who that was? The rapper Flavor in Your Ear. Flavor on your meat.
Yep. Yes, sir. That's all. Cover her back up.
Alright, and we'll bring you guys back with the finished look of the chicken. Okay guys, we're back, and the queen, she's about to make her famous Alfredo sauce. Even though she's making it from pre-made Alfredo sauce, she always add her own remix on it. And what she's gonna do, she's gonna use these peppers and onion recipe soup and dip mix, Tony Chachere's, and gumbo filet, and the shrimp and crab boil. And first she's gonna add a stick of butter, right? A half a stick or a
I'm
whole
gonna use
stick.
the whole stick.
She's gonna use the whole stick, y'all.
Oh boy, that's yeah. But first, back here in this pan, I'm just gonna put these peppers in so they can start doing their thing if I don't drop them.
And it's all about building flavors, guys. You gotta build your flavors. And she's gonna allow those to saute probably 5 to 7 minutes, and she's gonna cook her sauce down here and add her seasoning to her sauce.
Got a top for this, but we're gonna use this top. I'm just gonna cover it and let it go. Alright. First it don't matter which one you use first. I'm gonna get the rest out of here with some milk, which I don't have up here. I don't waste anything. Okay. Chill. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. This is the soup mix. I'm not using a whole pack. I'm using a half a pack. Just a half a pack.
And back to just a drop of this.
Well,
because
use a cap full.
oh, she gonna use a cap full. Well, yeah, you have it.
Last time you asked me, I didn't tell you how much I used, but I'm gonna tell you now. And he have tasted this before, y'all.
And this is gumbo.
Why you keep saying I'm gonna
filet.
cancel you?
Gumbo filet.
And you don't use a lot because this stuff is potent. Okay, it will mess up your dish, and you might as well throw it out.
It's kind of like using too much sage. Like sage will mess up a dish. And now she's adding the Tony Chachere's.
And I'm not putting a lot. I'm just sprinkling it on. I eyeball everything because I did this dish so many times. I just eyeball everything. And he's had it for the first time. What was that? When you first came? Was that your first time coming? No, that wasn't your first time coming. That was back in January, huh?
You made some. Then one time I came back, you had some made, and you was like, babe, I saved you some since you coming out. And man, I told it. You hear me? Like, I went to work on it. But guys, she's gonna let this sauce cook down, and once her peppers right here saute, and she gonna add them to her Alfredo, we'll bring you guys back. Okay, guys, she added the milk to her jar, and what she's gonna do, she's just gonna shake it up, and she's gonna pour it in there, and she added milk here, and she's gonna shake that one up, and we'll bring you back. And guys, that is not burnt, that is all flavor. And I am multitasking. I'm holding the camera and putting chicken on the grill. And we'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, off camera, the queen added one more jar of Alfredo and also added a half a stick of butter to help with the creaminess of it. So just want to give y'all that quick update on that. And once we start putting everything together, we'll bring you guys back. And the chicken is coming along right here. And right here we have the chicken. This is the chicken that's been grilled already right here. Okay guys, this is the chicken. We finished doing all the chicken. Here go the noodles that she drained. And now she sauteed her peppers and she's about to add them to her Alfredo sauce. And guys, this smelling so good in here.
I'm gonna add the chicken next. If you can pass me the chicken.
I got it. Gonna pour it in there. I'll hold it. She over here talking. She ready to eat, y'all.
I am. Alfredo is one of my favorite dishes. I love noodles. Anything chicken noodles, shrimp and noodles, it don't matter. I love.
Look at that. Feast your eyes on that, y'all.
Turn it all the way down on low.
And she's gonna add her noodles. And guys, just a tip, if you drain your noodles, if you want them to stick, add your little butter in there with your noodles and it'll keep them from sticking. Or keep some of the pasta water once you drain it and just add a little water to the noodles and that'll keep them from sticking.
Hold on. And that's why I just boil mine with butter. I do half and half. And I always leave a little left because sometimes they like less noodles. Sometimes they, they want more. Somebody smell like barbecue chicken.
Hey, Mom. Can I help?
You like noodles? Yeah. Sure, you can put this in there. Here.
Yay! I can do
Grab
some.
your hands washed?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab some of the noodles and add to it. Just like that.
Ooh.
Let me stir it first. Wait a minute, let me stir it for you ask some more.
Noodle overboard. Hello. That looks good. That looks really good.
You're going to put just a little more.
Can I stir it?
I need you to give me the milk.
Ooh, milk.
Now put them noodles to the side and pack in the milk. Pack in the milk.
My milk?
No, just a regular milk.
Oh. Well, I can't find the milk.
It's at the bottom. Just pour a little milk in here. I'll tell you how much, so go slow.
Okay.
And you can omit this stuff if you like your sauce a little thicker. I can't see what he's pouring, baby. Go ahead, pour. Pour some more. A little bit more. That's good right there. Alright, thank you.
Perfecto. That looks good. That looks like, it looks like chicken with like melted.
And guys, we'll bring you back to show you a final plating. And since you're gonna let this simmer for a few minutes, and once that's done, we'll bring you back. Okay, crew, welcome back. Here's the finished result. We have the grilled chicken Alfredo, we have the sweet peas, and we have crescent rolls that the queen made. And thank you for tuning in, guys. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, like each and every video, and turn on all your post notifications, and comment in the comment section below. And we out of here. Peace.